Hi, welcome to Ransom Spares. Today I'm going to show you part number RS3880 up close and in more detail. I'll start by telling you that this is a washing machine belt that fits Hotpoint, Creda, Ariston and Indesit machines. The only important thing on a belt is the size. This is written down here and this one happens to be 1860. This stands for 1860 millimeters in length. Please remember to double check your model number against those listed for this part on our website. You can place an order at ransomspares.co.uk or alternatively call our sales team on 0844 9800 717.